Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a new Google account on Android phone. Okay, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone and we can scroll down until we find accounts and backup setting. This one, tap on the setting and here we can select manage accounts right here. And we can scroll down until we find add account option. Tap on this option, and since we want to set up a new Google account, we can select a Google. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and here you can sign in with your Google account. You can input your email or your phone. You have to input your password as well. But if you want to create a new Google account, you just need to click on create account and you can click on next and you have to follow the instruction. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.